China has demonstrated a significant leap in its missile capabilities with the recent test launch of the DF-26D, a next-generation variant of the DF-26 intermediate-range missile family. Images and videos released on Chinese social media in late September 2025 revealed a launch that analysts associate with this new system, notable for its unusual plume and trajectory. The DF-26D is widely believed to incorporate a hypersonic glide vehicle, a technology that allows for high-speed maneuverability and considerably complicates interception efforts by current missile defense systems. This development not only signals technological progress but also reflects China's strategic intent to extend its influence deeper into the Pacific, with particular emphasis on U.S. military installations and carrier strike groups. The DF-26 family has been a key component of the People's Liberation Army Rocket Force, PLARF, since its introduction in the mid-2010s, earning the nickname Guam Killer due to its capacity to threaten U.S. bases in the Pacific. The original DF-26, with a range of approximately 4,000 kilometers, was dual-capable, able to carry either conventional or nuclear payloads, and designed to engage both land and maritime targets. The DF-26D represents a marked evolution of this platform, with reports suggesting an extended range exceeding 5,000 kilometers. This improvement brings critical U.S. assets such as Andersen Air Force Base on Guam and naval formations operating in the Western Pacific within striking distance, heightening the strategic stakes in the region. Hypersonic glide vehicles, like the one believed to be deployed on the DF-26D, pose a unique challenge to conventional missile defense architectures. Unlike standard ballistic missiles that follow predictable parabolic trajectories, hypersonic glide vehicles can maneuver unpredictably at extreme speeds, reducing reaction times and complicating interception calculations. For the United States, whose Pacific defense posture relies heavily on layered missile defense systems, the integration of such technology into China's arsenal presents a significant operational concern. Analysts argue that the DF-26D's capabilities could shift the balance of deterrence, forcing reconsideration of both forward-deployed missile defenses and broader naval strategies. The DF-26D's apparent dual-capable design suggests that China intends to preserve flexibility in its strike options. While nuclear capability remains a core deterrent, the system's conventional role, particularly against naval targets, is emphasized through enhancements in guidance systems, electronic countermeasures, and the potential use of active terminal seekers. This combination of technologies not only increases the missile's accuracy but also enables it to threaten U.S. aircraft carrier strike groups, a critical element of American power projection in the region. By integrating such advanced features, China strengthens its anti-access/area denial A2/AD posture, complicating the operational environment for U.S. and allied forces in the Western Pacific. Operational readiness of the DF-26D has not been formally confirmed, yet evidence from open-source imagery, test launch videos, and official state parade displays strongly indicates that the missile is entering early deployment phases. The appearance of the system at Beijing's September 3, 2025 military parade underscores China's intent to signal capability both domestically and internationally. Such displays serve a dual purpose, showcasing technological achievements and sending a strategic message to regional and global actors about China's evolving military reach. In doing so, Beijing leverages not just physical weaponry but also the psychological dimension of deterrence and power projection. Strategically, the DF-26D enhances China's ability to conduct long-range precision strikes and bolsters its ability to shape regional security dynamics. By extending the effective range and improving the survivability of its missile systems, China gains the capacity to threaten U.S. bases and operational formations well beyond its immediate periphery. This capability fits within a broader pattern of Chinese military modernization, emphasizing both quantitative expansion and qualitative enhancement of missile forces. The DF-26D complements other long-range precision strike systems, reinforcing the PLARF's ability to enforce maritime denial strategies and potentially alter the calculus for U.S. naval deployments in contested waters. For U.S. defense planners, the emergence of the DF-26D poses several challenges. First, the combination of hypersonic speed and maneuverability reduces the effectiveness of existing missile defense networks, forcing consideration of both sensor and interceptor upgrades. Second, the dual-capable nature of the missile complicates threat assessment, as any launch could be conventional or nuclear, demanding robust intelligence and early warning systems. Finally, the missile's anti-ship enhancements imply that U.S. carrier strike groups may need to operate at greater distances or rely on layered defensive measures to mitigate potential vulnerabilities, influencing strategic and operational planning in the Indo-Pacific theater. Beyond immediate operational concerns, the DF-26D symbolizes China's broader commitment to modernizing its military technology and asserting influence in the Western Pacific. The missile's publicized testing and parade revealings convey a message of technological sophistication and strategic reach. For regional allies, including Japan, South Korea, and Australia, the DF-26D underscores the growing need for integrated missile defense cooperation and collective deterrence strategies. The system's capabilities, particularly when considered alongside other hypersonic and intermediate-range missile developments, suggest that China is positioning itself to challenge traditional power balances in a manner that combines direct military threat with strategic signaling. In conclusion, the DF-26D represents more than a technological upgrade, it embodies China's evolving strategic posture in the Pacific. By integrating hypersonic maneuverability, extended range, and dual-capable payload flexibility, the missile significantly enhances the PLA rocket force's operational potential and its ability to influence regional security dynamics. For the United States and its allies, addressing the DF-26D's emergence will require not only technical and operational adaptations but also strategic recalibration of forward-deployed forces and missile defense networks. As China continues to refine its missile arsenal, the DF-26D stands as a clear indicator of the changing security environment in the Western Pacific, one where rapid technological advances and strategic foresight will play increasingly critical roles in shaping regional stability and deterrence calculations.